Men over 55, one shocking food that ignites your youthful power again. Hey there, gentlemen. Do you ever feel like your energy and strength are slipping away? Maybe you're struggling to keep up with your daily chores or missing the youthful power you once had. It's tough, isn't it? Meet Paul, a 58-year-old from Georgia. Paul loved working on his vintage car, but lately he was too tired to even turn a wrench. He worried he was losing the independence he'd always valued. Sound familiar? Here's the good news. It's not just aging holding you back. There's one surprising food that can ignite your youthful power again. No pills, no fads, that food. Beetroot. Yes, that humble red veggie can recharge your stamina and strength. Curious? Stick with me, because I'm sharing why beetroot is your secret weapon, how to add it to your meals, and a simple plan to feel vibrant and strong again. You deserve to tackle your day with energy, whether it's mowing the lawn, playing golf, or just feeling like the man you are. You're not here to slow down. You're here to thrive. So what's really draining your power, and how can beetroot help? Let's dive in and take back your strength together. The problem: why your power fades. Let's talk about why your energy and strength are fading. As we age, our blood flow slows down, delivering less oxygen and nutrients to our muscles and brain. This leaves you feeling tired, weak, and less confident. Meet George, a 61-year-old. From Illinois, George used to love his morning jogs, but lately he could barely make it through a short walk. It wasn't just physical, it made him feel like he was losing his edge. Here's the simple science. After 55, your body produces less nitric oxide, a molecule that keeps blood vessels flexible and blood flowing smoothly. A 2018 study in the Journal of Applied Physiology found that low nitric oxide levels in seniors reduce stamina by up to 20%, making everyday tasks like climbing stairs or carrying groceries harder. Inflammation and stress also build up, stiffening muscles and sapping energy. This isn't just about feeling tired, it is about losing the freedom to live life on your terms. Why does this matter? Because fading power isn't just physical. It's about missing out on the things you love: playing with your grandkids, working in the garage, or just moving without effort. It can shake your confidence, making you feel less like yourself. But here's the hope: you can boost your nitric oxide and energy naturally. Want to know how a simple food like beetroot can turn things around? Let's explore why this veggie is a game changer for your youthful power. Beetroot, the youthful power food. So why beetroot? This red root isn't just for salads, it's a powerhouse for stamina and strength. Let's meet Tom, a 62-year-old from Nevada. Tom was struggling to keep up with his daily Hawkins, a 71-year-old from Wisconsin, who was too tired to garden. His son suggested adding beetroot to his meals, and within 3 weeks, Hawkins was back to digging in the dirt, feeling stronger and more energized. That's the power of beetroot. Here's how it works, without the jargon. Beetroot is packed with nitrates, which your body turns into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide relaxes blood vessels, improving blood flow to your muscles and brain. A 2020 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that beetroot nitrates boost stamina by up to 15% and reduce fatigue in seniors. It also has antioxidants that fight inflammation, helping your muscles recover faster and keeping you feeling sharp. But it's not just science, it's about how you feel. Imagine climbing stairs without huffing, or carrying your golf bag with ease. Beetroot helps your body deliver oxygen where it's needed, so you can move with confidence and power. And the best part: you don't need supplements or fancy drinks, just simple, affordable beetroot from your grocery store. Curious about how to make this veggie taste great and fit into your day? Let's talk about the easiest ways to add beetroot to your diet. Easy ways to add beetroot to your diet. Now let's get practical. How do you eat beetroot? It's easier and tastier than you think. Meet Frank, a 65-year-old from Oregon. Frank was skeptical about beetroot, but he started adding it to his meals and was amazed. A month later, he was back to his daily hikes, feeling like he was 50 again. Here's how he did it, and you can too. First, try roasted beetroot. Peel and cube a beet, toss with olive oil and salt, and roast at 400 for 25–30 minutes. It's sweet, tender, and perfect as a side dish. Love smoothies? Blend a small cooked beet with berries, banana, and almond milk for a vibrant, energizing drink. For salads, grate raw beetroot with carrots and a lemon vinaigrette, crisp and refreshing. You can even try beetroot juice, just a small glass for -6 ounces daily is plenty. Here's a tip: start with 1 medium beet, about 1 cup cooked per day. A 2019 study in nutrients found that 701 for 0 mg of nitrates, about 1 beet, boosts blood flow without side effects. Don't like the earthy taste? Pair beetroot with citrus or herbs like dill to brighten the flavor. Frank's favorite? Roasted beetroot with a sprinkle of goat cheese for dinner. Beetroot is better than supplements because it's natural, packed with fiber and antioxidants, and gentler on your system. Supplements can spike nitrate levels too high, causing headaches for some seniors. Food gives you steady benefits without the risk. Want to make beetroot even more powerful? Let's look at some habits to boost its effects and get you feeling youthful again. Lifestyle tips to boost beetroot's power. Beetroot is fantastic, but a few smart habits can make it work even better. Let's meet Robert, a 60-year-old from Florida. Robert added beetroot to his diet but didn't feel much change until he paired it with a few lifestyle tweaks. 3 weeks later, he was back to playing tennis, full of energy. Here's what he did. First, add light exercise. A 20-minute walk or gentle cycling after a beetroot meal helps your body convert nitrates into nitric oxide faster. A 2021 study in the Journal of Physiology showed that exercise plus beetroot boosts stamina by up to 25%. Try a post-dinner stroll or chair exercises like leg lifts. Next, stay hydrated. Water helps your body process nitrates efficiently. Aim for 6-8 glasses daily, including herbal tea or water with lemon. Eating beetroot with vitamin C-rich foods, like oranges or bell peppers, also helps. Vitamin C protects nitric oxide from breaking down, according to a 2018 study in Free Radical Biology and Medicine. Try a beetroot salad with citrus dressing. Finally, avoid smoking or excessive alcohol. Both reduce nitric oxide and cancel beetroot's benefits. Robert cut back on his evening beer, and his energy soared. These small changes are like adding fuel to beetroot's fire. They're easy and make a big difference. Want to avoid mistakes that could slow you down? Let's talk about what not to do to keep your power rising. Avoiding common beetroot mistakes. Even with the best intentions, it's easy to miss the mark. Let's meet John, a 63-year-old from Texas. John tried beetroot but saw no results. Why? He was making a few mistakes. Once he fixed them, his stamina and confidence returned. Here's what to watch out for. First, don't overdo it. Eating too much beetroot, more than 2-3 cups daily, can cause stomach upset or lower blood pressure. Too much for some seniors. A 2020 study in Nutrition Reviews suggests 1 medium beet daily is ideal. Next, don't rely on juice alone. It's low in fiber and can spike sugar levels. John drank too much beet juice and felt jittery. Mix juice with whole beetroot for balance. Preparation matters too. Don't boil beets for too long, it destroys nitrates. Roast or steam them to keep nutrients intact. John also ate beets with high-fat meals, which slowed digestion and reduced benefits. Pair beets with lean proteins or veggies instead. Finally, be patient. Beetroot's effects build over weeks. John saw results after 3 consistent weeks. By dodging these pitfalls, you're setting yourself up for success. It's like tuning a car. Get it right, and it runs smoothly. Ready to put this into a daily plan? Let's make it easy to start today. How to apply it your daily beetroot plan. Let's make this real. You don't need a complicated routine to ignite your youthful power with beetroot. Here's a simple plan, inspired by Michael, a 59-year-old from Colorado. Michael was too tired for his evening bike rides, but this routine changed everything. In 3 weeks, he was cycling stronger than ever. Here's how you can do it. Morning, start with a beetroot smoothie. Blend cup cooked beetroot with berries, banana, and almond milk. Take a 15-minute walk afterward to boost blood flow and nitrate conversion. Lunch, add roasted beetroot to your meal. Cube a medium beet, roast with olive oil at 400 for 25 minutes, and pair with grilled chicken and a citrus salad. Drink water to aid absorption. Afternoon snack, try a small glass 4 ounces of beetroot juice or grated beetroot in a wrap with hummus and veggies. Keep it light to avoid stomach upset. Dinner, make a beetroot salad with spinach, walnuts, and lemon dressing. End your day with 5-10 minutes of gentle stretches, arm circles, or seated leg lifts to support muscle recovery. Michael's trick. He prepped beets on Sundays to make weekday meals easy. Pro tip: aim for 1 medium beet daily, about 1 cup cooked. Consistency is key. Small amounts add up. If you miss a day, just pick it up tomorrow. Michael's secret. He made beetroot a fun part of his meals, like a little boost for his body. In a few weeks, you'll feel stronger, sharper, and full of power. Conclusion and hopeful wrap-up. Gentlemen, you've got the tools now. Beetroot isn't just a vegetable, it's your key to igniting youthful power. Remember Tom, our hiker? He added beetroot, paired it with walks, and avoided those mistakes. Now at 62, he's hiking trails and feeling vibrant again. That can be you. You don't have to let fading energy steal your strength. With beetroot, a few smart habits, and a little patience, you can feel powerful again. Start today, roast a beet for dinner or blend a smoothie tomorrow. You're not just aging. You're thriving, and you deserve to live with energy and confidence. Try this plan for a week and let me know in the comments how it's going. I read everyone and I'm cheering for you. If Michael and Tom can do it, so can you. Hit that subscribe button for more tips to stay strong and independent, and share this with a friend who needs a boost. Let's ignite your power together because your best days are still ahead. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.